Powered by ET Tours.
Barbecue at night. Yeah. Barbecue in the
Hi guys, good morning. This is Dennis Jalazalde, architect and builder. Join us here guys at the Little Boracay of Calatagan, Batangas. Hey guys.
Gonna ride on the floating house.
Hello girlie. Hi Ate Elsie.
Mom, after we float in the
Hi
floating
Colleen.
house, I want to swim first. Ready? Mom, can I swim first? Wait na.
So guys, oh. Daming cottages. Ito guys, tawag ito floating cottages to guys. Ayan, oh. Ito yung sasakyan namin. Pupunta dun sa mga small coral reefs na white sand siya. So whole day trip to guys, whole day trip. One day lang to. Bawal mag-overnight dito guys. Only ano lang, daytime lang, day tour lang to. Tapos balik natin. Malalaki siya guys, mga 15 to 20 people per balsa or per cottage. Pero kami ano lang kami, 6 lang kami. So marami pa kaming space sa balsa namin.
May second floor tayo. Second floor.
Ito guys. Ito guys, tinawid namin yan, no? Mula dun. Mula dun guys. Tinawid namin. Tumawid kami. Ito guys, solo namin yung buong balsa na may second floor. So ang capacity nito 15 people. And then 6 lang kami. Pero ganun talaga ang presyo niya yun eh. Medyo mahal kasi Holy Week. Kuya, ano yan? Kami lang. Hi, we're going up there to wait for us. Oh, look at the baby, oh. Mommy, why you look at the baby? Hoy, Kelsey! What are you doing there, Kelsey? Hey, Kelsey! Don't go there to the water. There's a shark there, ha?
There's no shark. I didn't saw sharks. Right, mommy, there's no more.
There's a shark there.
No, there's just only plastics.
Not that is. There is shark.
Shark. TikTok to. Jollibee. Meron tayong ano dyan, food ihaw. Nice meal.
Yeah, later tayo.
Swimming is not allowed. The shark will wake up Colleen.
Mom, there are trash in the river.
It's not a river. This is ocean, sea.
Mom, there are trash in the ocean.
Don't throw trash because the fish will be sad and they might die from the trash.
And the shark will also be stuck and be dead. Mommy.
Me. Colleen. Colleen. Yes.
Let's go.
Clear water, so guys. So.
Daddy, let's go.
Okay, wait, baby. Look guys, clear water. So. This is called guys the Little Boracay in Calatagan, Batangas. Guys, sobrang linaw ng tubig dito guys. Oh.
Superman, ano yan?
Okay. Hi guys, join us here at the Little Boracay, Calatagan, Batangas.
Na-video mo na yung sea urchin. Ay, yung ano? Ha? Hindi ba? May mandar ka naman. Hindi yung mandar. Ano yan? You can wash your hands there. You drop it?
What are you doing? What the number? What's it?
Ito yung cottage namin.
Oh, what? Mom, there's swimming pool here in the boat. Starfish.
Hi guys!
Is it cool, mommy?
Sarap mag-snorkeling dito sa Little Boracay, Calatagan, Batangas. Guys, ito yung mga nakuha ko. Ika, Micah. Starfish, sea urchin. Ayan.
Wala ko natugas yung starfish.
Tigas nga. Itong magkalang natuyo. Ganito guys, gagawin nyo guys. Kailangan nyo floater kayo na ganito. Para matagal kayo sa tubig. So, I got this from Las Vegas pa eh. US. Chilean supposed to be, kaso di nakasya. Kaya mga lang gumagamit. Tapos ito, goggles. Saka snorkel, kung made in China lang to, mga 200 pesos. Tapos pwede ka na mag-snorkel dyan. Okay.
Is it gonna be our pet? What is that in front? The duck? What is owl? What about the sea urchin?
Hello guys, lumitim na ako guys. Tara guys, ciao tayo.
Ha? Doon na lang, wala. Lawak na lawak eh. Nakaupo ako dito.
Nag-grill kami dito guys, nag-ihaw kami dito sa maliit na boat. Ano, meron pa?
Ano? Meron pa dito ah, kuya.
Tara guys, ciao. Yung mga kids ba, kumain na? We're here guys in the middle of the ocean.
Kalin na! Kalin, hotdog! O Chichi! O, tumatalo na si Boy. Hindi natakot pa. Putas na. O Chichi! Ah! Hotdog! 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 Ah! Ha? Everything pa.
That's it. Ayan guys, yung nakuha namin. Oh. Maliit na starfish. Pero hindi yun ang talagang starfish guys eh. Yung starfish talaga kasi nakaangat siya gano'n eh. Tsaka bulky siya. Bulky tsaka color white na matusok-tusok. Ito guys, may second floor. Guys, mas mataas ang view. Tanaw mo yung mas mataas na view. Maganda rin yung ganito. Tsaka dito kasi guys, may mga nagbebenta. Parang sari-sari store pero bangka. Yan. Order ko guys dito ng food nila, yung isang tawag nila ron, boodle fight. Isang malaki siyang parang boodle fight na daan. Medyo mahal eh. Medyo mahal yun eh, kasi 4,000. Pero hindi naman namin gusto yung mga masarap. Hindi naman masarap yung ganun. So nagluto na lang kami, nag-ihaw na lang kami sa amin. Yan. clear water siya, tipid na rin yun. Nakatipid na kami rin ng malaking tipid na rin yun. Tsaka sulit talaga. So dito sa Little Boracay, Calatagan, Batangas. Okay. Guys, ayun yung ano, sari-sari store. Sari-sari store yan. Yes, William.
Why are you only videoing when you're not?
Leave the salbabida there.
What?
Carry ka. Embrace.
Dad, you just put me to the underwater.
Ayun, okay, so
the deep.
sea urchin yan na binibenta ni ate yan.
Dad,
Sea urchin.
you just put me in the underwater. Ah! Are we gonna swim?
Come here. We're going to move to the other part.
Before we can swim, but there are all deep.
Oh my God.
There's no water. There's sun.
Oh, masarap dito.
There are.
Ito guys, second floor.
Chicken.
Presko, malakas ang hangin.
Uli, let's dance.
Clear waters, fresh air,
I'm in there.
good food.
I'm in there.
Wala tayong isang sa sayo ka lang.
I'm in there.
Chicken, banana. Kulit. Chicken, banana.
Tara, TikTok. TikTok dance kami guys.
YouTube channel.
Parang kumari, yate, no?
Tatayo, pag TikTok eh. Pag TikTok, tayo. Perfect. Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana. Beef Jollibee. Meron tayong ano dyan, food ihaw.
A nice meal.
Yeah, later tayo.
Our best day ever. I got a cup of plastic and a rock. That's all.
Shouting is not allowed. The shark will wake up Colleen.
Mom, there are trash in the river.
It's not a river. This is ocean, sea.
Mom, there are trash in the ocean.
Don't throw trash because the fish will be sad and they might
Will
die
be
from
stuck,
the trash.
and the shark will also be stuck and be dead. Mommy,
Tara.
Mom.
Guys, masarap mag-swimming dito guys sa open sea. Guys, pabalik na kami. Ayan o, naatak pa. We're moving back to the port. Mga 3 o'clock, 3:30. We're moving back to the port na guys. Parang ka nasa yacht. Parang ka nasa yacht dito guys. Ayan. Meron kami second floor. Hi ma'am.
Hi, we're going back na.
Dali. Dali look.
I'll share my phone.
Dali na.
Daddy, daddy, daddy.
Chelsea. You didn't say na much. See this guys? Now we're being pulled back to the shore. The port. You know what guys? When we become older guys, by 60, 70, 80, we should take a dip here in the salt water in the ocean. Guys, it's good for the body, for the organs, for the skin. Guys, because I remember my papa guys he didn't want to swim in the ocean. So that's why there's lots of mga complications, sickness in the body. Dapat talaga guys didip ka sa mga swimming ka sa mga dagat guys. Iba yung effect ng dagat sa katawan ng tao. At least once a year guys. Hurry! Powered by ET Tours.